Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. Today I'm going to show you guys another free bass plugin called the BassDrive by ToneLib. It's pretty sick. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah.
I could feel it,
Alright guys, so here we are in GarageBand, and I've got my bass, my DI bass track soloed out here, and so let's go get that free plugin right now. So it's down audio units, and it is the BassDrive by ToneLib again. Okay, so I will again leave this link in the description where you can go get this bad boy and download it either for your Mac, and I believe they also have it for Windows too. Okay, so check this out. It's got the same colors as a Sans amp, and actually you can get it sounding somewhat like it too, the clank I'm talking about, but also you can boost all these knobs and get some crazy distortion out of it too. And I like to use this when I'll split my tracks, my bass, I'll duplicate my bass tracks 3 times, do sub. I'll use one for like clank or grit or distortion, and then one for the overall tone, okay? But we're just checking this out today, so we're not gonna get into that. So really quick, you got your drive, you got your blend. That's how much of the DI comes through and how much of the plugin is going. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that at 50% right now. And then also you've got your level. This is overall loudness, I believe. Okay, and then you've got bass, mid, treble, and presence. So to get clank out of this, I boost the treble and some of the presence. Okay, and then I usually get the sound I want from all these knobs here, and then I use the final output for the level to make sure it's not too the signal is not too hot. It's going to clip. Okay, so let me show you real quick what this is just a DI bass track by itself, and then I'll turn this on so you can hear the difference. It's just DI. Okay. So we got some drive here. Notice the drive doesn't seem like it does much. It's actually in these knobs where you got the magic that happens, okay? So let's get some clank. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I go about getting distortion out of this. It's kind of strange how they set this one up, but it's pretty cool also. It took me a second to figure it out. So I'm going to turn down the level first off because this gets loud when you boost all these. Check this out. This is where you get your distortion. You think it'd just be too trebly, whatever. It actually does. It operates a different way. So. There, that's when the drive kicks in. Pretty cool, huh? Trippy, huh? So anyways, a lot of fun. I know I had another video that showed you guys the free plugin by TSE Audio called the BOD, which looks just like the Sans amp and sounds a lot like one also. If you haven't, check it out on my All Things GarageBand channel. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, please subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I would do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys. Yeah.
I know they're after.